Welcome back. If you're wanting to learn how to cook, Baptist Health is now offering free cooking classes to anyone who is ready to learn. We actually have the teacher of the class here with us today, dietitian Samantha Stadter. Thank you so much for being here.
I'm so excited to be here.
What does a balanced diet look like?
This is a really great question because I think there's so much misinformation out there. A balanced diet, healthy eating, it's important to remember it's all about the big picture. What kinds of things are we eating lots of every day? As long as we're getting a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and some good lean proteins, we're going to be in good shape. And really at the end of the day, one of the best things we can do for our bodies and for our wallets is to cook more meals at home.
Absolutely. And we were just talking just a minute ago before we came on air about how hard it is to find a good healthy recipe that doesn't have a million strange ingredients. You actually have one here that's just, I mean, this is the perfect amount of ingredients.
Yeah, so this is a penne pasta salad, and what I really love about this recipe and the recipes that we make in our cooking classes is that they focus on being budget friendly, super easy to make, delicious, and they just happen to be good for our bodies.
Yes.
So for our recipe today, I've got some whole grain penne pasta here. I've got some chopped cucumber, some Roma tomatoes, or grape tomatoes actually, bell pepper, red onions, parsley. We're just gonna mix it all together and top it with our chicken and some homemade balsamic dressing.
Awesome.
So I really like this recipe because it uses a lot of fresh ingredients, so it feels really light and fresh, but it's super filling at the same time. It's also really, really easy to customize, so if you don't like bell pepper, don't put bell pepper in it. You can find something else to use instead.
That's awesome. And your cooking classes, these are monthly again. Do you say every Thursday?
We offer them on Thursdays once a month at 5:30.
Yes.
At our offices in West Little Rock.
Yes, and these are free for the public to come enjoy, right?
Free for anybody to come. Yes, we do ask that folks pre-register. If you want to get some more information on that, you can find that on our Facebook page.
Absolutely, and of course we'll have a link to that over on our website. Also, you know, there's some misconceptions about eating healthy. You kind of alluded to that earlier. Tell us what that is.
Yeah, I think there are so many weird diet trends out there. It seems like a new one pops up every day. I think that one of the biggest misconceptions people have is that if I'm eating healthy, I have to be eating healthy all the time. And it's like this all or nothing mentality.
Yeah.
And something that I'm always telling folks is to not let the perfect be the enemy of the good.
Yes.
So we have so much more success when we focus on making one small change. So finding a recipe that you already love and enjoy and looking for just one little way to maybe add a fruit or a vegetable to it or try a leaner protein in it, something like that.
Yeah, and I love my pasta, but sometimes pasta can be unhealthy. But here you're adding these vegetables, you're making it healthy, you're getting that full, that really just full serving of those vegetables.
Absolutely. There's room for all foods in a healthy, balanced meal pattern. It's just about how do we find room for those.
Awesome. And then we're going to add the chicken too.
That's right. So we are going to plate it up here.
Okay.
I'm going to try not to make a mess doing this. There we go. Look at all those pretty vegetables.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
We're going to top it with just a little bit of chicken.
Okay.
You know, the recommended serving size for fish, chicken, that sort of stuff is about the size of a deck of cards. So most of us are getting a little more, but we can always focus on just trying to get more fruits and vegetables, more whole grains, all of that sort of stuff.
Absolutely.
So we're just going to top it with our homemade dressing and a little bit of feta cheese.
Oh, I love feta. Oh, that's beautiful.
It is. Yes.
You know, people talk about eating the rainbow, making sure you get all your vegetables. This is so colorful. You're checking the boxes here.
Absolutely. Yeah, I love the idea of eating the rainbow because different fruits and vegetables in different colors, they have different nutrients in them. So that's why you want to make sure you're getting all of the colors to make sure you're getting all of the different nutrients that they offer.
Absolutely. Well, again, where can we sign up for the class?
To find more information, you can go to the Baptist Health Community Outreach Facebook page, or you can check out the link on your screen there.
Awesome. Well, Sam, thanks so much for joining me here today. Definitely something that the community will benefit from.
Love it. Thanks for having me.